Well, this is not going to be a typical episode. I can feel it already. How are you feeling today, Asadullah?
You know what, Sarah? I feel electric because today we are going to reveal a secret that most language learners don't know. And the ones who do know it, they speak like natives.
A secret? What secret?
It's called shadowing. And I promise you, after today's episode, you will never practice English the same way again.
I'm intrigued. What is shadowing?
It's simple. You listen to a native speaker, and you repeat what they say at the same time. Like a shadow follows a body.
So you're copying the speaker? Exactly?
Yes. Their rhythm, their intonation, their pronunciation, their pauses, everything. You become their vocal shadow.
And this works?
It doesn't just work. It is the fastest way to improve pronunciation, fluency, and confidence. Because you are not just learning English. You are training your mouth to move like a native speaker's mouth.
I am so ready to learn this. Let's start at the very beginning.
A very warm welcome to everyone just joining us. Let's dive deep into the science.
So, what exactly is shadowing?
Shadowing is a technique where you listen to a piece of audio, and you repeat it out loud with a very short delay. You are shadowing the speaker.
Like an echo?
Yes, but the delay is so short that you are almost speaking at the same time. Your voice overlaps with theirs, and this forces your brain to process the language much faster.
Why does that matter?
Because real conversations happen fast. You don't have time to translate in your head. You don't have time to think about grammar. You just have to speak. Shadowing trains your brain to respond immediately.
Let me get this straight. You are saying that if I shadow for 10 minutes a day, I will speak like a native?
Not immediately, but after 30 days. Yes. You will hear the difference. You will feel the difference. And so will everyone else.
What is the science behind this?
It's called mirror neuron activation. When you hear a sound, and you produce that same sound, your brain creates a powerful connection between listening and speaking. That connection becomes stronger with every repetition.
So it's like building a muscle.
Exactly. And then the beauty is, you only need 10 minutes a day, because the quality of shadowing matters more than the quantity.
Okay. How do we actually do it?
Let me give you the 3 steps. Step 1, choose your audio. Step 2, listen and shadow. Step 3, record and compare. Hello again, everyone. Now let's get practical.
What should I listen to for shadowing?
Choose something you enjoy. A podcast, a TED Talk, a movie scene. The key is, it must be natural speech, not robotic reading, and it should be just slightly above your current level.
Why slightly above?
Because if it's too easy, you won't improve. If it's too hard, you'll get frustrated. That just above level is the sweet spot for growth.
How long should the audio be?
Start with 30 seconds. That's it. Once you master that, go to 1 minute. Then 2.
Now, how do I shadow?
Step 1. Listen to the audio once. Just listen. Don't try to repeat. Let your brain absorb the sound.
Step 2?
Step 2. Play the audio again. This time, repeat every word out loud with a 0.8-second delay. Don't worry if you miss words. Just keep going.
Step 3.
Step 3. Record yourself shadowing the same audio. Then play it back. Compare it to the original. What sounds different?
And I do this every day?
10 minutes. Every single day. Not 10 hours. 10 minutes. That is the shadowing secret.
Let me try right now. Play a sentence.
The sun rises every morning and brings light to the world.
The sun rises every morning and brings light to the world.
Perfect. Did you feel your mouth moving differently?
Yes. I felt like I was copying your rhythm, not just your words.
That is the magic. You are not memorizing. You are learning the music of English. Good to see you all still with us. Now let me blow your mind. There are 3 types of shadowing.
3. Free. I only knew about 1.
Type 1 is complete shadowing. That is what we just did. You repeat every word with a short delay. This is best for pronunciation and rhythm.
Type 2?
Type 2 is selective shadowing. You only shadow specific words or phrases. The ones that are difficult for you. The ones you want to master.
For example?
For example, if you struggle with the sounds, you only shadow words like think, thank, 3. You say them again and again until they feel natural.
That is so smart. And type 3?
Type 3 is summarizing shadow. You listen to a short audio. Then you shadow it in your own words. Not copying exactly, but paraphrasing. This builds fluency.
So, you are describing what you heard, but using your own voice.
Yes, and this is the most advanced type. Because you are not just copying, you are creating. And that is where real fluency lives.
Let me try a summarizing shadow. I listen to you say, "The sun rises every morning and brings light to the world." Now I will say it differently. Every morning, the sun comes up and gives us light.
Excellent. You just created your own sentence. That is fluency. Hey there, time for the mistake lab. Let's fix the top 3 shadowing errors.
Mistake number 1. Shadowing too fast.
Yes. You try to keep up with the speaker, but you rush. Your pronunciation gets sloppy. Your breath control disappears.
Fix. Start at half speed. Use a tool like Youglish to slow the audio down. Once you are comfortable, speed up.
Mistake number 2. Not using a transcript.
You can't shadow what you can't see.
Exactly. If you have the text in front of you, you can see the words and hear them. That double connection is powerful.
Mistake number 3. Giving up after 1 day.
This is the biggest one. People shadow once, don't sound perfect, and quit. But shadowing is like going to the gym. 1 session changes nothing. 30 sessions change everything.
The mistake lab is closed. You now know how to avoid the traps.
Welcome back. Here is your complete 10-minute daily shadowing routine. Clock it.
Minute 0-12. Choose your audio. Pick something natural, inspiring, and just above your level.
Minute 2-3. Listen once. No repeating. Just listen.
Minute 3-6. Complete shadowing. Repeat everything with a short delay.
Minute 6-8. Selective shadowing. Go back to the hardest parts. Shadow them alone.
Minute 8-9. Summarizing shadow. Say what you heard in your own words.
Minute 9-10. Record yourself. Listen back. Notice what improved.
That is it. 10 minutes. Starting today.
And here's the promise. After 7 days, you will feel the difference. After 30 days, others will hear the difference. Hello again. I want to tell you about a real student. Aisha.
Tell me about Aisha.
Aisha was a banker in Dubai. She had studied English for years. She could read and write perfectly. But speaking, she froze. Every single time.
What did she do?
She discovered shadowing. She started with just 5 minutes a day. She shadowed TED Talks. She shadowed movie scenes. She even shadowed her favorite podcasts.
And
After 3 months, she could deliver presentations in English with confidence. Her accent was clearer. Her rhythm was natural. She said, "Shadowing unlocked my English."
that is incredible.
And it is not about talent. It is about repetition. Your mouth has muscles. Shadowing trains those muscles. Just like a runner trains their legs.
You can do this too. Start today.
Final stretch. Here is your 7-day shadowing challenge.
Day 1. Find your audio. Just listen. No shadowing.
Day 2. Shadow 30 seconds. Complete shadowing.
Day 3. Shadow 1 minute. Complete shadowing.
Day 4. Shadow 2 minutes. Add selective shadowing.
Day 5. Shadow 2 minutes. Add summarizing shadow.
Day 6. Record yourself shadowing. Compare.
Day 7. Shadow 3 minutes. Record yourself again. Hear the progress.
After 7 days, you will notice. Your mouth will feel different. Your confidence will be higher. And you will want to continue.
Let's review the key words from today. But this time, I will say the word. Asadullah, you give the definition. Then, I give an example. Then you give another example. Then we both ask for repetition.
This is the new word tour. Let's begin.
Word number 1, shadowing.
Definition. Shadowing is a technique where you repeat what you hear with a short delay, copying the speaker's rhythm, intonation, and pronunciation.
Example. I practice shadowing for 10 minutes every morning, and my accent improved drastically.
Another example. Shadowing helped me speak more naturally because I was imitating a native speaker.
Now repeat after us. Shadowing.
Word number 2. Intonation.
Definition. Intonation is the rise and fall of your voice when you speak. It is the music of language.
Example. Her intonation made her English sound very natural, even though her vocabulary was simple.
Another example. When you shadow, you copy not just the words, but the intonation too.
Repeat. Intonation.
Word number 3, mirror neurons.
Definition. Mirror neurons are brain cells that fire when you watch or hear someone do something. And when you do the same action yourself.
Example. Mirror neurons explain why shadowing is so effective for language learning.
Another example. When I shadow a native speaker, my mirror neurons are building new neural pathways.
Repeat. Mirror neurons.
Word number 4. Paraphrase.
Definition. To paraphrase means to say something in your own words, without copying exactly.
Example. In summarizing shadowing, I paraphrase what I heard.
Another example. Can you paraphrase that sentence? I want to hear it in your voice.
Repeat. Paraphrase.
Word number 5, fluency.
Definition. Fluency is the ability to speak smoothly, without unnatural pauses or struggling for words.
Example. Shadowing is one of the fastest ways to build fluency.
Another example. Her fluency improved dramatically after 30 days of shadowing.
Repeat. Fluency.
Excellent. You now have a powerful vocabulary to describe your shadowing journey. Sarah, what is the one sentence to remember from today?
The golden sentence. Repeat after me. Shadowing is not about memorizing. It is about training your mouth to move like a native.
Shadowing is not about memorizing. It is about training your mouth to move like a native.
One more time. Shadowing is not about memorizing. It is about training your mouth to move like a native.
That is the truth. Your brain has the information. Your mouth just needs to learn the dance. Shadowing is the dance lesson.
If this episode helped you, please give it a huge like, share it with someone who struggles with speaking, and subscribe.
And tell us in the comments, what audio will you shadow first?
We read every single comment. Your shadowing journey starts now.
Thank you for being here. Now go, shadow something. Bye for now.
Bye for now.